Hi, I'm Steve Schaefer, owner of Meyer Hardware. With only 4 days left until Christmas, I'd like to point out some possible stocking stuffers and gifts that you can shop for your loved ones. First of all, now through Christmas, we have a 20% off sale on all of our cutlery, buck knives, outdoor edge, Swiss Army knives, case, Schrade. Again, those are on sale at 20% off through Christmas. And to sharpen those knives, we have this tool and knife sharpener. It's a silicone carbide blade. It sharpens the knives in 2 swaths, made in the United States. Great stocking stuffer. Another item we have, although limited on hand, is amaryllis bulbs. They're $4.97 per bulb. We do have limited quantities, so first come, first serve. That makes a great gift. One other item we have is what they call a parking target. It is a piece of plastic that you mount to the garage floor, and you put it down where your tire hits, so you know how far your car goes into the garage without hitting the garage wall. So those are great. Those are $9.99, also made in the United States. And we are open 8 to 6 Monday through Saturday, and Sunday we are going to be open from 10 to 3, and Monday, Christmas Eve, we are opening at 8 o'clock and we'll be closing at 3 o'clock as well. So anything you happen to buy here at the store, we will wrap free for you, and have a Merry Christmas.